Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to add a timer onto Capcut. So the first step is to download the timer onto your phone. And to do that, you'll need to open your favorite browsing app and then search for any sites that allow you to download timer videos onto your phone. So for this video, I'll be using Pixabay, but if you have any other site that you normally use, you can just search for it and then look for timers. So let me just search timer and then search and ensure that you've filtered out any other media. So it has to be a video because we're using Capcut. And then once you see your timer videos, you want to scroll and select the option you would prefer to use. So I'll be using this one. So let me just select it. And then you'd want to tap on download and choose your video quality. Once you've selected your video quality, tap on download and it should be saved onto your device. You then want to ensure that it's actually been saved into the gallery app and not just the downloads section. So to do that, you want to go to files and then under files, you want to tap on downloads and then you want to ensure that you've saved this file or this timer into your pictures or the gallery app, wherever it is. And then when you tap on move, then it should be saved to your photos. So you'll confirm that by navigating to your photos app and you should see your timer listed right there. So once you've done all of that, it's now time to add it onto Capcut. So to do that, again, go back to your video project and then you want to tap on this plus icon that you can see here right on the timeline. And then you want to select your timer. Then once you see your timer has been successfully added, just tap on add and then you can now adjust your timer. So what you want to do is simply select the overlay effect. So you want to look for overlay and then tap on it. Then you can see it's been overlaid and it's directly underneath the first video. So from here you can now adjust the timer to what you're liking. So you can make it shorter so that it only appears for a certain section of the video, or you can have it appear as long as the video is. It's up to you. And then once you've done that, you can then edit the timer by itself. So again, you want to ensure that you've selected the timer. Then from here, you can now drag it around to wherever it is you want on your screen, on your video, like that. So you can adjust it to your liking. And if you want to customize it even further, you have all these options to choose from underneath. And you can even choose to make this background smaller. So you can come to transform, select resize, and then just crop it to your liking so that you can now use the timer in a smaller form instead of having it being that large. And so once you finish with your customizations, you will then want to tap on play. And if you're fine with how the video looks like, you can then just export the video into your gallery app. So now it's up to you to customize it to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.